Hey, what's up guys? I know it's been a long time since I made another video, but I just recently got some new headlights and I want to show you guys the process on how to install them. I can't really find a video on YouTube on how it's done, so this is the first one. Pretty much what they look like out the package. There's another foam piece that goes on top, but I took that off already. I'm just gonna hurry up and give these a nice quick wax just to be sealed and nice, and then we'll get started. I'm over here waxing these lights and I noticed that little I don't know what that is, but it's inside there. So that's cool. Overall, they look great. Alright, so I got the headlight brackets on. Now I'm gonna go outside, take the bumper off, etc. Take the headlights off. And yeah. Another snowy day in the beautiful state of Utah. These are the headlights I'm rocking now. I got some regular OEM style ones. Alright, so I got the headlights off, the bumper off. Now we're just gonna install the new headlights. I anticipated it to be a little bit more complicated than it actually is, but it's not. So yeah, we're just gonna jump right into it. Also, I might screw in my lip because it's hanging. I don't like that. I've been too lazy to take it off and do it. But hey, we're gonna do that too. Alright, next we grab this handy dandy little wire connection. God, my engine bay looks like shit, but it's okay. Oh, Lord. And this little guy right here is gonna come in. On the manual it said to plug it in right here. I don't know how that clips in just like that. Hopefully, I'm not sure. I'm not an electrician, I don't know how this stuff works. But yeah, sure, we're gonna leave that as that. And then this side will connect to the left headlight and this side will be the right headlight. Okay, so the end of those wires, or the end of that wire, that connector, will go in right here, and same thing with the other side. I'm the only one recording, so it's kind of hard to hold the camera and do this at the same time, but for some reason these holes are not lining up and I don't know why, but we'll figure it out like we always do. So I got it to fit on there, but there's just a slight gap. A big gap actually right here. I think it's because it's the bumper or the headlight bracket. It's probably throwing everything off. Alright, so I managed to get both of them on. The fitment is not perfect, but I did it to the best of my ability. And I'm going to show you guys these connectors. I probably should have plugged it in first. Where the hell? There it is, okay. Just like that. Okay, so you connect that little one in there. Same thing with the other side. Bada bing, bada boom, right there. Connect the main harness. And then this wire, fuse wire, I don't know what this is called, I'm not an electrician, but right there, probably plug that up too. I can do it with one hand. No. But yeah, other than that, we're good. I'm gonna turn them on in a second, see if they work. Maybe I did something wrong, but we'll see. All right, I installed them, and this is what they look like. So the high beams are on, and those what the blinkers look like. I wish they wrapped all the way around the LED strip, but it's okay. I still dig it. And I wish it wasn't freaking snowing outside so you could see the headlights and clear action. But yeah. And then I couldn't get the lid to fit on right because the screw just keeps popping out, and I need a drill. I'm not trying to take a drill out here right now. It's too cold and wet. But yeah, I'll just give you a little walk around of the car. Another thing I do like about these headlights is they stick out like the 2015 plus models. Sexy. Now, I don't know if I made a video about installing these taillights, but I got these back in April. I like them a lot. But yeah, overall, super easy process to do, to install. Very affordable too. The brand is Vland. I don't know if I mentioned that already, probably not. But yeah, this is the reflective bowl style headlight. I totally recommend, 10 out of 10. But that's gonna wrap things up for this video. Yeah, I'm trying to give the car a complete makeover. So I'll try and record everything to the fullest. Yeah. All right, well, I'll catch you guys on